Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in gadgets and tools for your crafting needs. Today, we are excited to talk about the xTool Mini Heat Press machine, undoubtedly one of the best Nicapa heat press options available today. This ultra-light, portable heat press machine is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want to take their creativity on the go. The xTool Mini Heat Press stands out with its incredible versatility, offering 3 different heat settings: 285 degrees Fahrenheit, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to work with a wide range of materials like t-shirts, shoes, hats, bags, and even ceramics or acrylics. Whether you're using it for HTV, DTF, or sublimation projects, this machine handles it all with ease, making it the best choice for both beginners and seasoned crafters. One of the standout features of the xTool Mini Heat Press is its heat boost technology. It heats up 200% faster than traditional heat presses, reaching 400 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 minutes. This means less waiting around and more time to focus on your projects. Plus, the even heat distribution ensures consistent results every time, whether you're working with vinyl, DTF prints, or sublimation transfers. If you're someone who values portability, you'll love the design of this heat press. It weighs just 0.77 pounds, making it perfect for crafting on the go. The ergonomic open handle makes it easy to grip and press without any strain, and its compact size makes it ideal for small to medium-sized projects. Take it with you to craft shows, use it at home, or even take it while traveling. You can create custom pieces wherever you are. Safety is another important factor, and xTool has you covered. The Mini Heat Press comes equipped with several built-in safety features, including an auto-off function that kicks in after 11 minutes of inactivity. It's also made with V0 flame retardant materials and includes overheat protection, so you can craft with confidence knowing that you're safe while working. This tool is perfect for a variety of creative projects, personalizing t-shirts, hats, shoes, patches, and more. Whether you're making gifts, decorations, or just adding a personal touch to everyday items, the xTool Mini Heat Press is designed to help you bring your ideas to life with professional results. Overall, the xTool Mini Heat Press machine is a compact, versatile, and safe tool that will take your crafting to the next level. It's perfect for anyone who wants a high-quality heat press without the bulk of larger machines. Whether you're just starting out or are a seasoned DIY expert, this heat press is a fantastic addition to your toolkit. Thank you for joining us here at Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss a review on the best products out there. Until next time, happy crafting!